Hello there, I'm Harini.
I'm Santhosh.
We are from Knowledge Institute of Technology. We two as a team member going to present a project presentation and demonstration on MERN Stack development. The internship provided by WSC. Our project is about food application. Let us look into the agenda of our presentation. We segregated our presentation into three parts. First, we will look into the internship overview, goal of the internship, the project requirements, and the architecture of the internship. Followed by that are key learnings during this internship, which includes a front end versus back end. We also see about full stack web development, and finally, MERN stack. And last implementation of our project, which includes a food delivery application. Here's the goal of our internship. The main goal of the internship is to build on a real project by using MERN Stack and demonstrating MERN skills with end-to-end application. To learn and implement MERN Stack application by understanding different components of full stack, which includes both front-end and back-end tools. The usage of React, which is nothing but a front-end framework, which is used for user interface, and MongoDB for document database. And we also get to know about basic front-end tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which is helpful for developing a project. This internship also improved our teamwork and better communication and project management skills. In this internship, we also learned about the usage of Express.js to create API, which is nothing but application programming interface used to connect two or more applications. We also get to know about web deployment and cloud usage.
I'm going to explain about project requirement. The basic requirement of the project is to have compiler and MongoDB database to deploy server. And the application developed should be fast and reliable. It should be give respond fast and should not take much space, and that internet data should be secure and encrypted to handle the user data properly and securely. The project should handle future growth, which means the project should scalable when the number of users increase or the number of restaurants increase in the near future, and should consume less storage in order to reduce the cost of the cloud platform service, and should be able to retrieve the information faster from the cloud platforms. The web application should build using MERN Stack and should enable user to allow browse, short, and search, order food items as we're going to build food delivery application. And user should enable to authenticate and make contactless payment using the payment gateways, and should get mails regarding using the mail sending APIs and frameworks. For this project, we use a three-tier architecture, which is MERN Stack, as we previously stated. It comprises of React, Express, Node, JS, and MongoDB. In this, React is used as a front-end, Express.js and Node.js used for backend, and MongoDB as database. The food delivery app should have components like my order history, which should retrieve data from the database, which is MongoDB, and We use MERN Stack because of its high reliability. In this picture, we can see the architecture of the MERN Stack. First, the web is developed using React.js. The server side is developed using Express.js and Node.js. The database is MongoDB. Over to Harini.
MERN Stack is MERN Stack is nothing but a full stack, which refers to developers or engineers should have the knowledge on both front end and back end. So now let us look into the what is meant by front end and back end. Front end is nothing but it is an user side interface which includes UI and UX. It is a visible part of website or an application. It involves HTML, which is for structure of the web page, CSS for styling of the web page, and JavaScript for interactivity. It focuses on creating an engaging and user-friendly interface. Mostly static pages use front end, for example, portfolio. The front end technologies used are HTML is an hypertext markup language, CSS for cascading style sheets, JavaScript is to connect with internet. It is nothing but a programming language. We also using frameworks and libraries, which includes React, Angular, etc. So now look into the backend. Backend is nothing but it is a server-side application. It handles data storage, processing, and server-side logic. It acts as a behind the scenes. It is part of an web application. Backend makes the front end page more dynamic. The backend tools are programming languages such as Java, Python, PHP, etc. Some of the databases are MySQL, MongoDB, servers like Apache IIS, frameworks are Express.js, and we also use API.
Full stack. As my friend already stated, full stack comprises of both front end, back end, and also the database. Here, the front end is refers to the client side, and the back end refers to the server side of an application. And as database stores and retrieves the data which is required for the functioning of the website. The full stack is used to develop the highly data-driven websites because using full stack we can develop the websites in faster and reliable way so that the company or organization will able to develop and release the products using these websites in much a faster way which will help to generate more revenue for the company. The full stack development is widely used nowadays because for its scalability and it is open source. The full stack developers are the most needed job for the current decade because a full stack developer will know front end, back end, database, and he can replace other three engineers used for three different domains. He will have knowledge of both the three domains. He or she will able to design UI, develop the front end, back end, and the database for a website, which will help their teammates to understand easily and quickly. MERN Stack. MERN Stack is a kind of full stack development where we use Mongo for server, Express and Node.js for backend, and React for frontend. Main stack is another variation of main stack where we use AngularJS, but here we use React.js for the development. The main purpose of main stack or main stack is to use only JavaScript to develop the application. For all the four technologies are only based on the JavaScript. The main advantages of MERN Stack is they are open source. We have robust community support for this technology. We can reuse the code, improved performance for the MERN Stack, for the applications developed by the MERN Stack, which can be developed and deployed easily, which is scalable and cloud compatible. We can easily link the MERN Stack applications to the cloud.
Let us look into the implementation of our project. The app consists of several components, which includes the home page, my order page, cart page, login, and logout page, which will be useful for the user. The home page displays the list of restaurants available and includes a search bar for the user to search the restaurants and filter options too. The menu page displays the list of items in the menu and allows the user to add items to their cart. The cart page displays the list of items in the user's cart and allows the user to place an order. The confirm order page displays the detail of the user's order with its delivery address.
Let us see the demonstration of our project. First, I have already started the backend in the host mail address and front end in localhost 3000 port. These are the back. This is the backend and this is the front end of our website. We have launched the server locally. This is our food application. We have named this application as Food Del, which means we can deliver the food using this application. Over to Harini.
Now let us look into how to log in to the web page. Click on the login button and now enter your email ID and enter the password. I entered the existing email ID and password and I'm clicking the login. This is an invalid password. I'm re-entering the password. Now I'm clicking login. Now you can see we are redirected into our website. So now I'm going to show how to reset our password. So for that I'm logging out and again I'm logging. Now click in forget password and enter your email ID and send a mail. The mail will be sent to the registered email ID with the help of mail trap. We used mail trap for forget password. As you can see, the mail is sent to the registered email ID. Now I'm going to click reset your password. By clicking this, we will redirect to the new password page. Now I'm going to enter my new password and I'm going to confirm the password. This will be useful for the user to reset their password. So now the password is updated successfully. And now I'm entering the new password and logging in. Yeah, we were into our web page. Now I'm going to log out this page and I will show you how to create a new account. Click new user, enter your name, followed by that enter your email address. enter your password, confirm your password, enter your mobile number, and you can also set your avatar. Now I'll click browse and I'm gonna select the image and I'm gonna register this. As you can see, we created a new account for our web page.
Now we can also see our order history. Since it is a new account, the order history is empty, and we can also see our profile, and we can also edit our profile with the details in our profile. For example, let me rename. See, we have renamed, and we can also change the avatar and update. See, the name have been updated, and let us go to home page.
We can also search the restaurants available by using the search bar at the top. Now I'm going to type cave. I'm going to search this. As you can see the result of Cave Coffee Day, the restaurant is shown. And let's try another restaurant. I'm going to type Mani's Dum Biryani. By searching Mani, you can see Mani's Dum Biryani is shown right here. So this will be useful for the user to get the restaurant name easily. And we also have the option to sort by rating. So now I'm going to click the sort by rating. So you can see the restaurants is sorted by the ratings given by the user. And we also have another option that is sort by reviews. I'm just clicking it right now. And you can see the restaurants is shown according to their reviews provided by the users. The rating will be given. And we can also shortlist the restaurants by clicking pure veg. So the only vegetarian restaurants will be shown here. And by clicking show all, the available restaurants will be displayed on the home page. Yeah.
Let me show how the order pages work. In this, when we select a restaurant card, the available food items will be shown on basis of their type. For example, the dessert, snack type, and beverages type are separated. For example, let us look into another restaurant. What Here, here the meals are segregated and beverages are segregated separately. Let me show how to order. Let us order a mushroom rice, regular rice. Let me order two. The items added to the cart shows pop-ups. And let me order an pear paratha. Sorry. And let me have a Coke. For two members, I ordered two Coke. And all the items we have ordered, and we can also check the items once again in the cart. See the items we have added shown displayed in the cart. Here we can also edit the items by clicking here quality, and we can also delete the items from the cart itself. See, we can also delete. And let us check out the cart. See the here itself the number of items and the cost displays. Let's check out. And here the address, delivery address should be entered. Let me enter the address and let us select a country. See here the delivery info, address, phone number, and cart items with the respective billing amount are displayed. And the tax is also included in the order summary and the total amount is displayed. And we can also make payment using this website in itself. Let's proceed to the payment. Here we should enter the card info in the payment page where let me show since we have used the pro- real-time payment application Stripe we have used for we have linked the Stripe with our food delivery application. See, as it shows your card number is invalid since I have entered the wrong card number. Let me enter the card number which is used by developers for testing. So I have entered the card number. Now the payment is processing. Our application is waiting for a reply from stripe.com and our orders has been placed successful. See, here our order summary. The payments so far made by the users of our food delivery application. The food del application is displayed in the stripe. See all payments under all payments. The payments so far made is visible. Here the succeeded payments are the payments which have been completed. I made two payments in the timeline 1947. The two payments, one was we entered the correct card number and it is succeeded, and the incomplete is not succeeded. You can also send receipt to the user using the stripe.com. We're using the Stripe as a test mode for testing. So far, we have made 19 transactions in which 12 transactions succeeded. Since the transaction is complete, my cart is emptied. So we can make new order from this page. And we so far used Mailtrap and Stripe.com to make our websites to used these two as external available resources to make our website payment and send mails from our website. And that's all for the demonstration of the project. Thank you. And I especially thank Webstack Academy for providing us this opportunity. What
I also feel so thankful. It was an effective internship which helped us to enhance our knowledge in web development. Thank you for this opportunity.